Hello IG Garage family. So, is your check engine light on with the P0177 code? This means there's an issue with the fuel composition sensor circuit range or performance, which can affect your fuel mixture and engine efficiency. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0177 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around, because this could honestly save you from some really costly repairs. So, what does P0177 mean? The P0177 trouble code indicates that the fuel composition sensor, or FCS, is providing inconsistent or incorrect data to the ECU. This sensor is actually crucial in flex fuel vehicles because it detects ethanol levels and adjusts fuel injection accordingly. Alright, let's talk about the symptoms of P0177. You might see the check engine light come on, experience poor acceleration or hesitation, notice a rough idle or even stalling, get decreased fuel efficiency, or have hard starting in cold weather. Alright, so let's talk about some of the common causes behind that P0177 code. First up, a faulty fuel composition sensor, or FCS, might be to blame. This sensor could be malfunctioning and sending incorrect data to the system. Next, wiring or connector issues can definitely cause trouble. If the wires are corroded, loose, or damaged, they can disrupt the sensor signals. Third, dirty or contaminated fuel is another culprit. Water or debris in the fuel tank can lead to incorrect ethanol readings. And though it's pretty rare, sometimes the engine control unit, or ECU, might need an update or reset to fix software issues. Now, let's cover where you'll actually find the fuel composition sensor. It's usually installed along the fuel line, somewhere between the fuel tank and the fuel rail. In most cars, you'll find it near the fuel filter, or sometimes even inside the fuel tank assembly itself. And don't forget, it's connected to the ECU through a wiring harness, so be sure to check for any damaged wires or loose connections while you're at it. Here's how you can diagnose and fix that P0177 code. First, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look closely for any damaged, corroded, or loose connections around the sensor, and repair or replace any faulty wiring you find. Next, check the fuel composition sensor itself. You'll want to use an obd2 scanner to monitor the sensor data. If the readings are erratic or not showing up at all, it's time to replace the sensor. Third, test your fuel quality. Drain and inspect the fuel for any contamination or water. If you find anything suspicious, replace it with fresh fuel and reset the ECU. Fourth, update or reset the ECU. Some vehicles need an ECU update to fix fuel sensor communication issues. Finally, clear the code and take your car for a test drive. Use your obd2 scanner to clear the P0177 code, then drive for a few miles to make sure the check engine light doesn't pop back on. And that's how you fix P0177 and keep your fuel system running smoothly. Taking care of this problem will help restore your fuel economy and prevent any drivability issues down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. And hey, check out these related videos. P0093, fuel system leak detected, and P0094, fuel system leak, small. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.